First at 6, the jury has gone home for the night in the Orlando suitcase murder trial. Thank you for joining us. I'm Stuart Moore.
And I'm Luana Munoz. Sarah Boone's attorneys are trying to prove that she is not guilty of second-degree murder because she acted in self-defense when her boyfriend died in a zipped-up suitcase. West 2's Justin Shecker is outside of the courthouse with more on today's testimony.
Sarah Boone testified on Tuesday she didn't let her boyfriend out of that zipped suitcase because she feared for her own life. Today, her attorneys called on expert witnesses as part of their battered spouse syndrome defense.
Did you believe that he could breathe in there?
Yes.
Did you ever believe he could die in there?
No.
After Sarah Boone's highly anticipated testimony, the focus on day 4 of the suitcase murder trial was the defense presenting its case that she suffered from battered spouse syndrome. On Wednesday morning, the jury heard from Dr. Michael Brannon from South Florida. The forensic psychologist explained victims in abusive relationships can have an altered sense of danger.
Whether it's the lid of the garbage can hitting on your nose, or whether it's someone being abusive towards you, those situations change your perception of danger. So you no longer see that object or that person in the same way. You have a foreboding sense of danger could occur.
Dr. Brannon did not evaluate Boone, but psychologist Dr. Julie Harper did during 9 meetings. She testified Boone does not have a personality disorder.
And did you determine that she did suffer from trauma as a result of intimate partner violence?
That was my conclusion. Yes, that's my opinion.
During Boone's testimony on Tuesday, she showed jurors a scar on her leg where she says Torres Jr. stabbed her with a steak knife while she was making him dinner. Dr. Harper says she diagnosed Boone with PTSD.
It's my opinion at the time of the offense, she had depression and she had an alcohol use disorder.
The state cross-examined Dr. Harper about conversations she had with Boone about interactions with Torres Jr. while he was in the zipped suitcase, and her decision to not let him out after he told her he couldn't breathe.
Well, what made her mad was not that he was saying he couldn't breathe. It's what he was saying that was making her mad.
So you didn't elaborate what something was that made her mad, correct?
Right.
And Sarah Boone's defense has yet to rest its case. The suitcase murder trial will continue tomorrow morning. Outside the Orange County Courthouse, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.